I am at the airport. Actually, see, I have seen the yesterday's messages and all. I don't know that morning message that Shiva for Shaktika, and after that stop destruction people and that message evening I said. See, actually, I told na there is some doshas in our kundalis. Doshas means some shani, the shani in the seventh. That's the reason our meeting union everything is getting delayed and this block is not working. As for that, na, there is some parihar puja has to done, and so that I have checked with them. Here that Panditji also told that in Kerala, they're near to our house. There that Panditji, they also told that from the past 2 weeks when you went to US, na, that time onwards, actually they told that. Actually I was checking whether to go or not like that. So there is no other way. So that's why this is without doing that it will be keep on like this. So that's it. So I thought okay I will go. Then like day for yesterday I decided and yesterday morning flight early morning 2 o'clock 3 o'clock I went and I have done the pujas and all. But actually everything it's good. Morning Ganpati Homa they have done before I reached itself, and after that the evening Samvara puja that Vahan, these all things everything has been done. I don't know then whether I don't know. It's actually that temple only I have done Pongala also in 2018-19 and all. So there is something. So that is a good priest actually. So that's the thing I went and everything was good. And today morning I came back. Today morning again I attended that Ganpati Puja, Ganpati Home. And now only landed I reached. Actually I know that many messages are open. So I was getting confused. According to our puja status, each puja is going on, that your this was message was changing. And so I got confused whether that people will be influenced or like that. Also I was saving some fear. But I don't know. So anyway, whatever it may be, so that is what it is. For you also has to do this puja. Actually, that's the thing. Actually, yesterday this puja, even we both had to sit and do the puja. Also, see, there is something. See, this is astrology. Na? See, I know that many people's lives, you know that there will be many blocks, and nothing is working out. There will be some problems. Also, see, yesterday actually, they told very clearly many things. Actually, I told them to record in English and send. That, but now I don't know, so that you can understand it. But I don't know now. Yeah, for you also actually. See, so many tantric effects and all, so many things are there. Yeah, I don't know. So you don't see yesterday's that second message, that destruction and selfishness. See, I was never selfish or anything in it, but I didn't inform anybody. I didn't inform you or anybody, and without that I went because I was afraid if I inform these fellows will not allow me to come back, or I even didn't inform to my sister. Actually, my mother isn't random now, that is because of Andy's death, and my sister also they went to yesterday was the today is the that Sanjanam, that karma of that Andy's. And so yesterday sister also went there, and there was no key of the home, and I stayed in a lodge. That is the thing. So I didn't inform anybody. So that's actually yesterday morning that message people waited, and so that was the thing or what. So then stop disturbing people, and I don't know. I felt very bad after that. Only I got confused so much. So it's not. See, there is something. And actually I wanted to do that because that's the reason I went. I am not selfish, I told you that. I am doing each and everything for I am dedicating my life. You see, you just understand how I am living. This whole thing, I was feeling very bad today morning, and when I coming how I only, and I was going to Kerala and I felt very bad actually. And so I have to live like this and all like that. See, these all things I am doing for the nation and everything. I am not selfish, and after reading your message I felt very bad. I felt it. They frustrated that Suprasna's post and I don't know whether she was indicating near what actually. Yeah, I was checking that videos how she used to follow you and all. See, I never literally see now I know that these fellows leaders might have scolded you and so many things might have happened because of my mail. Because see, I didn't do anything wrong. I did the right thing only because dividing the Jammu Kashmir, these are not the feasible ways. So I got so shocked actually. See, this is not the way to hijack the power. You see, even if you people are through alliance taking the power also, that also after some day they will screw up and the alliance will get. So rather than that in a stable government, that is the only thing. So don't worry, I was not playing or I never. Okay, I was. You told that selfishness and that I got. And then I showed that to that Panditji also. So that they what they. I don't know. So I am not selfish or anything anywhere. I will never do. And then I would not have to be suffered. See, when I started this campaign, Professor Pushpa offered that ambassador post for me to make me come out. So that don't. I'm not selfish or I did for the. I went for the good thing for everybody only. Okay. I didn't even eat anything. Yesterday I fasted full for Shiva Shakti. And actually that temple has there is something special in that temple. That's the reason anyway I thought, okay, I wanted to do that there. And now, okay, bye.